Hi, my name is Rachel and I am a third year chemical engineering student at University College Dublin.
My name is Denis. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Process and Chemical Engineering at University College Cork in Ireland.
I recently became a member of the IChemE back in my second year of college, and so this year I'm a volunteer with the membership engagement committee.
Over the years, I've been very active with IChemE as a volunteer. Everything from assessing competence and commitments reports when persons are applying for full corporate membership of the IChemE to conducting interviews. I'm also a member now of the appeals panel when applicants feel that they would like to review their application and see why it may not have been successful the first time around. And I'm also a member of the panels of assessors that look at accredited company training schemes, looking at graduate development within companies.
I think that volunteering with the IChemE has provided me with an excellent opportunity to give back to the chemical engineering field in general and to try and improve the experience of my fellow peers within chemical engineering. As well as this, it's provided me with an opportunity to voice my own opinions in a space where I feel that my thoughts and input they're really taken on board and they're valued. Volunteering has also allowed me to connect with other students, academics and just general experts in the field of chemical engineering.
I think the biggest benefit of being a volunteering for the IChemE is really just being keyed into the community, meeting other chemical engineers, visiting companies, seeing new technologies at play, understanding the sort of the profession and the standards. And those standards are always moving, they're always improving, they're always strengthening. And so being keyed into a community and actually, I suppose, not just being on the receiving side of it, actually sort of feeding back into that, being an active volunteering member means that I'm much more engaged, and it's a much more rewarding and fulfilling sort of membership of the IChemE than just simply, if you would, receiving the magazine once a month and maybe a couple of emails. Just giving back is sort of a way of receiving, strangely enough.
I would definitely encourage others to volunteer for the IChemE. I feel especially for students, it's an extremely rewarding experience to feel like you're contributing and giving back in some way to the field of chemical engineering, as well as this, the opportunities volunteering provides are endless. You get to meet and interact with so many other students and professionals in the field of chemical engineering from all across the world, people who you wouldn't have encountered otherwise, and you can hear the opinions of people from different backgrounds to yourself, and then also get to contribute to the conversation, which I feel is really interesting and just really rewarding in general, and great for your own personal growth and development.
Yes, yeah, I definitely encourage people to volunteer for the IChemE. There's a whole range of activities, there's a whole range of subject areas, member groups, or professional registration, or safety professional activities that really do give back more to you when you're a volunteer and an active member than perhaps a passive recipient member of the IChemE. And of course, from anything that I've ever known of chemical engineers, we're very passionate about our profession. And this is one way to express that passion.